In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks Online effectively. If you're just getting started or need a quick refresher, this guide will help you through each step. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and go to the QuickBooks Online login page. This is where you can access all of your accounting data conveniently online. Whether you're managing your business finances or personal accounts, QuickBooks Online can be the go-to platform for simplifying your bookkeeping tasks. Once you're on the login page, if you don't yet have an account, you'll need to create one. To do this, locate and click on the Create an Account link. Creating an account is straightforward and only requires some basic information to get started. Remember to choose a secure password and keep it safe to protect your financial information. After creating your account, your next step is to navigate to the QuickBooks PH site. You can do this by clicking on the Go to PH site link. This will redirect you to a region-specific page, which might offer localized features and plans that better suit your needs. Once you're on the PH site, you'll see different subscription options available to you. Each plan offers various features, so it's worth taking a closer look to determine which one meets your requirements. Click on the Select Plan button when you've decided which option is right for you. Carefully review what each plan offers, taking into consideration your specific needs and budget. Now that you've selected a plan, it's time to sign into QuickBooks Online. You'll be prompted to enter your login credentials, your email or user ID, and your password. This will grant you access to your QuickBooks dashboard. Finally, once logged in, you're ready to start managing your accounts. You can utilize numerous features such as tracking expenses, generating reports, and syncing your bank accounts. QuickBooks Online is designed to simplify these processes, allowing you to focus more on your business and less on the paperwork. Remember, if you encounter any issues during the login process or while navigating through QuickBooks, Intuit provides helpful customer support and a wealth of online resources to assist you. With practice, you'll find that QuickBooks Online becomes an invaluable tool in managing your finances efficiently. And there you have it, a simple guide to navigating QuickBooks Online. If this video has been helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.